Hello, what's up guys? In today's video we have the Samsung Galaxy A17 which is locked. Let's remove this pattern with the hard reset. Now these new Samsungs simply won't turn off with the power key. So we have to force restart it and then take it into the recovery menu. But before doing that, you guys have to connect your phone to the PC. So I'm gonna connect it with the PC, then I will force restart it and then take it into the recovery menu. So to force restart your Samsung, you guys have to press the power and volume down keys simultaneously. Now as soon as the phone restarts and the screen goes black, release the volume down key and quickly hold on to the volume up key while pressing the power key as well. Now when the Samsung logo appears, release the power key but keep holding on to the volume up key until it reaches into the recovery menu. Now here inside the recovery menu, you guys can use volume keys to move the option and use power key to select an option. Select wipe data, then factory data reset, and this will completely erase all the data from your phone. As you guys can see here at the bottom, the data wipe has been completed. After that, select reboot system. Now after the reboot, the phone will take some time to load up, so you guys have to wait for it. Then finally, when the phone turns on, tap on start, move forward, set up your phone, and after completing this setup, you guys will be able to use your phone again while the pattern or password that was set up previously now has been removed.